They get it. You don't just need it fixed. You need it better than it was before. You need 120 years of expertise to ensure that your equipment and recreational vehicles stay in their prime. You need a team who prioritizes your ownership experience. At Henderson of Abbeville, they get it. They take pride, put care into each and every project, and maintenance is never a hassle. Their priority is you, the customer, because they get it. You don't just need it fixed. You need it the best it's ever been. And that's why you need Henderson of Abbeville. For the quickest service in Acadiana, call or go to hendersonimplement.com.